Pwede po ba sa buntis ang low carb? Personally sa akin, pwede ang low carb. Pero tatandaan natin, tatlong subcategories. Keto, yan yung less than 20 grams per day. Moderate, 20 to 50. And liberal, 50 to 100. Yung mga buntis at nagbe-breastfeeding, pwede naman. Pero try po nating huwag masyadong mababa. Kasi remember that you have increased metabolic requirement dahil meron po kayong binubuhay na another person, right? So you cannot go too low. So I would suggest high, moderate to liberal. Pwede naman po yan sa buntis. In fact, yung mga buntis na nagkakaroon ng gestational diabetes, ano ba yung treatment doon? The first line is mag-low carb. Pero yung low carb na ibinibigay ng karamihan ng mga dietitian are more on the liberal side. Certainly still lower than the usual carb intake. So you can do high, moderate to liberal. Okay lang po yan. And then pagtapos na manganak, magpadede, then you can go to low carb. Kung ano man category ang gusto po ninyo.